11.18. A child running a temperature of 101 degree Fahrenheit is given an antipyrin. It implies a medicine that lowers fever, which causes an increase in the rate of evaporation of sweat from his body. If the fever is brought down to 98 degree Fahrenheit in 20 minutes, what is the average rate of extra evaporation caused by the drug? Assume the evaporation mechanism to be the only way by which heat is lost. The mass of the child is 30 kilogram. The specific heat of human body is approximately the same as that of water, and latent heat of evaporation of water at that temperature is about 580 calorie per gram. Okay. Now see, change in temperature, that is from 101 degree Fahrenheit to 98 degree Fahrenheit. So the change is 3 degree Fahrenheit. So in degree Celsius, multiply it by 5 by 9. So 3 into 5 by 9, that is 5 by 3 degree Celsius. Now mass of child that is given to you, 30 kilogram. So that is 30 into 10 raised to 3 gram. Now latent heat of vaporization, that is 580 calorie per gram, and specific heat of water, that is 1 calorie per gram Kelvin. Now heat lost by child, because the temperature of child is decreased. So heat lost by child, that is delta Q equal to mass of child, specific heat of the body, that is equivalent to the specific heat of water, and change in temperature. So mass, that is 30 kilograms, so 30 into 10 raised to 3 gram. Specific heat of water 1. Delta T, that is 5 by 3 degrees Celsius. So in Kelvin we can write 5 by 3 plus 273. Clear? Now solve this one, you will get heat lost. Now if mass of the sweet which evaporates, that is m gram. So the heat utilized to evaporate, that is delta Q equal to m into LV. So mass of the sweet evaporates, that is delta Q upon LV. Delta Q, heat lost that we calculated. So that heat is utilized to evaporate the sweet. Use that result here. Latent heat of vaporization, that is given to you 580 calorie per gram. So now solve this one, you will get m, mass of the sweet which evaporates. Then rate of evaporation. Rate of evaporation means the mass of the sweet evaporates per unit time. Okay. So here in 20 minutes, this process is completed. Means m gram mass is evaporated in 20 minutes. So in 1 minute, how much mass is evaporated? So m upon time interval. So mass we calculated here, substitute its value, divide it by 20. So we will get the rate of evaporation this much gram per minute. Clear to all of you?